Hey there, I'm Nate Anderson, and I'm going to be showcasing what the Yansa PDF Generator is and how it can improve your workflows on the ServiceNow platform. We do this by providing an interactive and approachable method for creating rich documents, which can then be autofilled from data anywhere on the platform. No external tools required. That's right, it's entirely on platform. You can then further automate this by leveraging the provided flow actions through ServiceNow's Flow Designer. Some types of PDFs you can design and generate are offer letters, employee documents, invoices, statements of work, and labels for things such as asset tags or file folders, which we'll review in a separate video. Keep in mind though, it is not limited to this list at all. If you know how you want your PDF to look, the PDF generator can make it happen. So let's jump right in and look at our employee offer letter template to showcase some of the capabilities of our PDF generator. So we'll jump right into our template, and here we can see a name, a description, the state of what we might want that PDF template to be in, and most importantly, where that source data is going to come from when we generate this template. Additionally, we can see the template editor field, where we'll be able to specify what we want to include when this PDF is made. We can also specify merge keys, which we'll review in a moment, on how we can fill this with data from anywhere on the platform. For example, we've got today's date, the user's first name, their title, what their start date might be, who their manager is, and what department they might be getting hired into. And last but not least, we've also crawled through the system to get that user's manager's email address and display that to them in their offer letter as well. These are designed by setting up the PDF template merge maps, where we can specify what we want that merge key to be and how we get that data out of the platform. In this example, we'll look at the start date merge map. Here, we can see the merge key is start_date. We can see that we want to get this as a source record attribute. And what that means is go to that source table, the record we're generating the PDF for, such as Nate Anderson, and grab an attribute off of there. In this case, we've said grab the start date. And one other area we have here is the ability to specify what format we want that data in. Keep in mind that ServiceNow has many complex fields, such as dates and currency fields, which we cover through this value type. Here, we said get it by a specific format. If we'd picked something like get display value, it would actually generate that date based on the user making the PDF template and show the date in that format. However, we want to override that and make sure it is always in the specified format. For our example, we're using a 4-digit year, a 2-digit month, and a 2-digit day. So let's go back and look at some of the other options we have available for this PDF. Here, we can specify what the page configuration will be, such as the size, what margins to set, what our header might look like. Do we want a simple header, or do we have an advanced header that we need to make? We can also specify whether we want to include page numbers in the header and/or footer, and how those page numbers should be generated. If we want just simple numbers such as 1, 2, 3, we can select yes here. Or if we wanted to show how many total pages there are on every page, we can select that yes with of pages. For example, 1 of 2 or 1 of 12. Once you're satisfied with how you want your template to look, we can test it out to make sure it's going to generate correctly. We do that using this Generate Sample button. When we click that, it'll pop a modal and allow us to review our template before merging. Keep in mind, this action can be added to any form in ServiceNow, and there's a scripting API behind it that we have documented, which will let you trigger it from other areas. In our case, we've pre-selected the employee offer letter template that we're on. When we click Next, it's going to ask us to merge some data in and pick a record from that source table we mentioned earlier. In this case, I'm going to pick my user account. Here, we can now see the merged data right in front of our eyes. We can see the date got filled, my name got filled. We can also see that that start date got filled in the correct format, along with all the other attributes that we merged. Although you'll see some data is missing, one feature we do have that you can enable optionally is to leave the merge keys in here so you know that data got missed. Once we're satisfied, we'll click the Next button and see the save options available to us. For this example, just download is available, but another option can be to attach it to the current record that you're on. We'll click the Save button, and the system will automatically download that and open it in your PDF viewer. Here you can make any last final reviews and go back to your editor to adjust things as needed. This concludes reviewing the basic capabilities of the Yansa PDF Generator. Thanks for watching and have a great day.